Welcome back to Strong's Garage. We got another episode here with Jim and Matt. Right back at it. We're going to pick up where we left off with on that beautiful Chevrolet Coupe.
Yeah, and exactly.
Which was at a point where we were going to decide whether it ran or not.
Yeah, or let it decide, really.
That's what we got to do.
Yeah.
Will it run? I have a feeling it will.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Turns over nice,
car.
eh?
Yeah.
You know, just with the wheels.
Yeah.
And basically, thanks for watching the other videos, the Chevy videos. People are Chevy fans.
Yeah, I didn't know. Yeah.
And if you haven't liked or subscribed or hit the notification bell, go ahead and do that now.
Yeah.
And thanks to our patrons.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks to those who like the show.
Yeah.
The mailing people.
Oh, man, yeah.
We've used that wiring diagram book already once. Anyways, here we go. We're going to see if it runs.
Yeah, come on along. We'll see.
I don't know what the hell.
Old jalopy, we'll start.
We'll cut it down to whatever. Is there anything else we got to say? Do you have to thank anybody or mention anything? Well, here it is. You might remember it from a previous episode of car retrieval.
And yeah, we've cleaned up a few spots.
From rubbing on it?
Yeah, leaning on it, dreaming.
Dreaming and scheming?
Yeah,
we figure...
next dreaming step is to get it running.
Let's see if it'll run. So, will it run, you know?
Yeah.
Let's get this hood off.
We'll hop the hood.
Straight back, or straight up. There we go. Set it up right here. Wow, there you go.
Okay.
Oh, she's wide open the elements now. Hood's off.
Yeah. So, no big holes in the side.
Nope.
Something to examine.
There's a nut here. We don't know how long it's been sitting, you see?
Yeah. Has it got...
Look, it's got a little indent there.
Oh, a little indent. Well, that rode the whole ride home.
See the nut indent? Right there at the end of my finger. Huh, who knew?
Yeah, who knew? It's right.
So we'll put the nut back in there when we're done the car.
Yeah.
As you can see, she's been dormant for a few decades.
Spark plug wire. Spark plugs just go on the side of the head here.
Yeah, straight in. No angling here.
Yeah. Nice small distributor. The wires are all present, fairly supple. This will have to be mended.
Oh, yeah.
Screw a little thing on there.
Well, I'll tell you what. Let's...
Looks like it's got a few wires twisted together here.
First and foremost. Coming in for an oil check.
Oh, yeah. It was very dainty. Well, look at that. Clean and full.
Wow. Look at
Cleaner than it's less dark than that coffee's.
Yeah, and smells probably like zinc.
Oh, yeah. Well, it's nice and slippery.
Okay, so in a true will it run fashion.
Yeah, and after seeing how clean that oil was,
we're going to try and get it running with absolutely as little. At first, we're just going to we're going to disconnect the fuel line and we're going to run an auxiliary fuel tank. But aside from that, we're going to literally see if it will run as is.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot, we could take the carburetor off and pull the plugs and rebuild the distributor and do all
like
that.
we did on the Chevy.
And that's fine.
That's something you know it will
and
run.
That's, it will run, not will it run,
will
right?
It run.
So, I don't know, let's just see. It's kind of neat. Just a time capsule the way it is. Let's just see if she goes.
Yeah, right. You shut it off for no good reason.
So I'll get we got this sweet old auxiliary fuel tank here we restored. We will position it in such a way that gravity-fed fuel will enter the carburetor.
Yeah.
Clean gravity-fed fuel. And the oil's clean. We won't even pull the points. I don't even want to pull the distributor cap. Let's just put a battery in it and see what happens.
All right, we're going into the old battery nook. Pull up this board. And everything looks good. Got our two cables kicking here. Battery to go in. Now, got this wonderful Blue Point battery terminal cleaner. We'll clean these up. Okay. Nothing too crazy going on with the battery hooked up, so that's good.
I don't see no smoke or fire yet. So
Yeah.
we're
All right.
okay.
In here. There we go.
Yeah, I'll just stick this hose barb in here for now. Okay, that's tight. Tight enough. Okay, well, I'll just, we gotta figure a way to support this beautiful thing we made.
Oh yeah. Just keeping in mind, this is how much hose we have.
Well, let's just hope that it's the right amount, huh? As you can see, I didn't have a 90.
Yeah. Well, that slides right on there beautifully.
There we go. So, and right around the exhaust manifold.
Right up here. Oh man, that's very close.
Okay, well, we'll just get a thing of wire and we'll just wire it right there.
Perfect.
Okay, well, we'll just get some mechanics wire, as farmers like to call it, or farmer's wire, as mechanics like to call it, and we'll carefully install the combustibles.
Quick tour of our electrical here. We've got this plug wire set back in place since we've opted out of the real extensive thing.
No extensive restoration here.
Yeah.
Just a preservation, hey?
Yeah, a real
real sympathetic
very
restoration.
sympathetic. Here you can see where they've fused together wire from the your points, tees off to the condenser here, and then onto the bottom of the distributor, and this little jumper here that they provided us that I think is probably long enough to reach the battery, which
Coincidentally is probably
yeah, so either it ran too good, they just never got around to it, or yeah. They couldn't get it to start back.
Well, I've always said that. Nothing was ever parked because it ran too good, but this may prove to be the case. Just a steadying wire, a guide wire, so to speak, to keep it... one with the world. There we go. Like that. Look at
Nice. I think you worked rebar.
Eh?
Great.
Couldn't be better. A little bit of gas. We got a sediment bowl to keep any of the baddies out. We'll just keep this from rubbing too much on the exhaust manifold. There we go.
Oh yeah, when we're having too much fun driving around the block.
Well,
Cool.
well, let's start.
Now you see if the starter will turn it over.
Let's see if the starter turns it over, hey? Some of that good old time crank going, hey?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
And then it should just be the old foot plunger, I think. Like
Yeah, yeah, it's the old mechanical you are the solenoid. Okay, this is the first time, ready?
First cranking, yeah.
I'm nervous. Oh yeah.
Oh!
Wait she goes, buddy. Wait she goes.
Wow.
Now, if we will remember from our other video, this car came equipped with a can of ether, but it's empty. So maybe it was just a garbage can at some point.
Ah, yes, yeah. With the open top, it would have been pretty easy to throw garbage into.
There you go, the old Chevy. Well, we'll put a little bit of go juice in there.
Here we go.
We won't put too much in, but
Yeah, these old Chevs hardly need more than a thimble full to get going anyway.
that's right. Okay.
Here, take a look at this throttle pedal. I was just checking to see if our linkages were still set up.
And?
Take a peek inside there.
Oh, what have we got?
Kind of a neat thing.
A surprise?
Yeah, they because there's
Oh,
no return spring, so they
You got
tethered a
this
small
return cable.
yeah, return cable.
Oh, look at this.
And so you just step on it with your foot, and then you just pull it back.
Pull it back when you
Yeah.
don't need it anymore.
Yeah.
Ain't that neat?
Mate, in the spirit of the start, we might as well try that.
Yeah, we'll leave that in place. There's not too much inside here.
Yeah.
These are just where they were, so
Yeah.
we'll just leave that, I guess.
The assumption it was running.
We're literally just gonna see if it'll start the way it is. Guess I could give her a choke and a pull, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
Without the, it should get wet.
Yeah.
Is the choke cooked up?
I think it's stiff.
Ah,
Maybe
okay,
it's
so we'll
some
just hand choke it
Seizing,
then.
yeah. Quick hand
Go
choke.
ahead, give it a hand choke, and I'll give it a
Okay.
hand bump here. Ready?
Yeah.
Any,
Oh yeah, lots of gas.
Okay. Well, the lights work, eh?
Yeah, right? Wow.
Oh, that's insane.
What a car. never seen such a fantastic survivor.
Wow, the lights work. How do you shut them off?
I don't know. Oh. Oh, he's got a bad ground here. Oh, it's still on.
Well, I'm content.
Yeah.
I think we should just hit it.
Right? Well, here I ran this wire in here for the battery. You can.
Okay, just run that, and then I'll run this.
Okay.
Okay.
You can run the throttle.
Yeah. With this return cable.
Yeah.
Okay, will it run? Take one. Ready?
Okay.
Joking?
Yeah.
Away we go. Okay, well, check spark, I guess.
Spark, yes, because we have fuel.
We have fuel. Let's check the spark. Just grab our little Jiffy kit.
All the tricks of the trades.
All right, check her for spark.
Okay, I'll wheel her over.
Yep. Can you do both?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's see if there's any spark. No spark. We've got no spark, so we will now open the distributor cap for our first look in the cap. And the points look poor. But
Oh yeah. Here, I'll
probably just need a good filing.
looks like something's taking up residence in there.
Yeah, a bit of some kind of
Insect or whatever.
light.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll grab.
The rotor itself looks very
Everything
nice.
looks fine, doesn't it?
Yeah. Store that. Oop.
So we
There
will
for now.
use our trusty points file and just give her one of these. Got nothing getting to the points. It's this, so we have to clean this contact up right here, I think.
Oh, okay.
So I'll just grab
All those twisted together wires. And
grab a wrench here from our little Cavendish tin.
look at that.
Got every kind of wrench you could think of. Wrenches for Splitdorf magneto, Heisman magneto. So let's find the Chevrolet one. Nothing too crazy there, eh?
Yeah, just a big square nut.
Oh, it's just loose. Alright. There we go. Oh yeah, she's just halfway
Oh,
to nothing at all. Look at this. Somebody's really
So
half-A in
old.
it, eh? Made in Canada. Dreadnought. World War I battleship or a big Martin guitar. That'll work. Okay, that's nice. Give this a bit of a tighten. There's a hand tighten how to do it. Now, rehook. Positive. Hey, there's points now. We didn't have no spark before, now we got spark to the moon.
Let me just check this, see if this sparks against something here. Just to make sure the coil's doing its task. See if I get zapped or not. Oh, wow.
Good.
Good. Might have to go-
Take two.
Yeah.
Down with spark. Ready?
Wonderful!
Ready to hit the town?
Yeah.
Okay, trigger again.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
oil
the
pressure
remnants of the
came
oil
right up.
pressure. Wow! Here, I'll give you a little tilt through here.
Wow, that's exciting. Oh, I thought maybe the heater would work.
Ah,
Oh, look.
too zealous. You want a small choke?
Yeah, give her one more.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
That return cable works a treat.
Oh, you tie that to your knee, you'd be set.
Wow.
Holy.
Here's your run. So, will it run?
Yeah.
Indeed it will. Onward with the project now.
Oh boy.
Cool. We didn't do anything to it, eh?
No, we did less than nothing.
Well, we just hooked up the wires and cleaned the points.
Yeah.
And it's sort of halfway idles.
Yeah.
I think that slow trickle of gas isn't keeping up.
Yeah. Yeah, do a hot rod like that, the big
But
six.
The big six, it is charging though.
Wow.
Which is cool.
That headlight's working.
Is still functioning. I cannot believe that, but there it is.
Yeah.
Well, there it is, folks. Will it run? Yes.
All right, here we are.
Yeah, if you remember, we found this old-timey hat, which turned out to be a Hardhat liner, an old-timey Hardhat liner, within the Chevy. So,
yes.
in the interest of something to do, we'll attempt to revive it. Yeah, I'm gonna rinse and repeat. But I think this thing is gonna. I think this thing's gonna be just fine.
Bell the ball.
Okay, well we'll put it dry and we'll check back in on it later. Summertime, wintertime. So we've cleaned the Hardhat liner. We've got the period correct aluminum Hardhat. So let's swap her over. There.
Here we go.
There you go. So found in the Chevy,
Yeah.
revived, and ready for action.
Yeah, the Chevy had a heater, and yeah. Away we go. Cool, man.